this jar might be why your makeup's sliding off. When I'm doing someone's makeup, I often ask my clients about their skin, and they will tell me all about their multi-product skincare routines in the morning. And while they might be trying their best to help their skin, I know that they are sabotaging their makeup before they even are done blending it. Now, I love a good multi-step skincare system as much as anybody else, but complicated routines and heavier emollient products need to be saved for the nighttime only, because many skincare products contain ingredients that will break down even the best makeup, causing it to pill and separate and get kind of gross. In the morning, you want to have a simple skincare prep so that your makeup will adhere properly and last you longer.